dosing of insulin. What has been the problem? What's been the holdup?
Yeah, so the oral dosing.
This is an Alberta Emergency Alert. The City of Calgary has issued a critical water supply alert. This alert is in effect for the City of Calgary until further notice. A water main break along 16th Avenue Northwest has impacted the city's water supply. Supply levels have reached a critical state, affecting the city's ability to provide water to communities and ensure adequate water is available to support emergency fire suppression. All residents and businesses must conserve water. Do not shower or bath. Do not wash dishes or run appliances that use water.
The feeling of achievement. And I'm also feel very happy that if